Sabi ko, Juan, hanggang kailan ba tayo maglalaro ng badminton? Isip siya, hanggang kaya natin.
Yeah! Okay, anong song mo para kay Conrad sa album mo?
Kabiyak.
Wow! Kabiyak!
I mean, we haven't spent time apart, although we did for a while, but you know, I think that, you know, he's my lifelong partner.
That's right. Ano reaction niya? First listen?
Alam niya para sa kanya, so para sa akin to. No?
Ay, hindi ka na agad.
And it's his favorite song.
Right, right. Galing. Ano pa aside from Kabiyak ang favorite ni Conrad?
The one of that I did with Zia.
Okay.
Yes.
The Never Be Alone.
Never Be Alone.
By Jeremy G. Okay. Thank you kay Joem for the questions. Let's go to
Puturan ng aking, ano eh.
Okay, masyadong serious. Masaya tayo dapat, di ba? Okay, go Alan!
So, congratulations, Miss Shasha, for this album.
Thank you so much.
So, nung one time ko napunta ko dun sa picture mo, nakita ko yung mga albums ninyo before, di ba? Yung mga panahon ng mga CD-CD pa.
Oh, wow.
How do you compare this album dun sa mga past album na ginawa ninyo? And ano yung significance nito dun sa buhay nyo ngayon?
I think with every album, yung pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, kasama talaga yun. You know, there was a time when a lot of my albums were digitized and they made me listen to it. Oh my God, my whole life flashed before my eyes. Sabi ko, may kakabit pala talaga ang bawat kanta. Pag narinig mo, it gets you back in time. Ano ba itong nangyayari sa buhay ko noong mga panahon na yun? So talaga grabe, I bawled my eyes out. I really cried. So I think it's the same for a lot of people. When you hear a song, it takes you back. Diba? Lalo na kung in love ka nung time na yun. Yan, mas maganda because you're walking on air, diba? Talagang...
What's that song na, boom, dati, pinarinig mo, just, sorry, but can't help it, but just really get emotional?
A lot eh. I can't think of one particular song, sorry. There's not one song.
Alam, what's your favorite song ni Miss Z?
Yung, ano ba yung title nun?
Pareho tayo, mahina rin ako sa title.
yung one word lang.
Hiram?
Hiram, oo.
Hiram, yes.
Yeah,
I'll tell you about that song.
Sige po.
So, when I recorded that, napaka-strict ni George Canseco. Sabi niya, gawin natin to sa theme song. So he doesn't play the piano, but it was somebody else who was playing. And then, he was composing it right before my very eyes. Yes, in front of me, he was creating a song. And he knew the theme. So he's just like, you know, casual lang, ganun. And then let's record it. So when we were recording, he was very strict about how you syllabicate the words. Kasi like, you cannot say hiram. Like now, we would bend, you know, allowed yun. They used to be so strict lang, hiram, okay? And sabi niya sa recording, mag-imagine ka lang na nangyayari sa buhay mo yan. So ako naman siyempre pa-acting.
Ilang taong ka nito?
19 or 18. Wow. Bagong bata pa ako. Very innocent. But married. Okay. So little did I know that years later, I would be able to personally connect with the song. Because of what I was to experience. Yung ganun ba? Grabe. Hindi mo ina-expect eh, parang life imitating art.
Right. Usually, gano'n naman talaga eh, di ba? Alan, do you have another question for Ms. Z?
Gusto ko lang sanang marinig ng live, na marinig mo yung ngayon. Yung kahit yung chorus lang po, para naman, kaya po ba?
Di ba, ako'y tao lang na nadadarang at utok sa ring. May aalis mo pa sa'kin na matutuhan kang mahalin sa bawat sandaling hiram natin.
Yeah!
Kaya maraming favorite yun.
O, ikaw naman daw, Alan. Ayan sa
relate pala siya. Medyo pinag yung self niya.
Go! A round of applause for Alan!
Go! Kung parang yun, mataas yun.
Iba ba?
May last question.
Go ahead.
May last question to Miss Shasha.
Last na?
Enjoy
sa akin po. Parang ano po kasi, we're just curious kung ano po yung, kumbaga, sikreto ng isang Sasha Padilla. Bakit nandito pa rin sa industry for a long time, di ba? Parang hindi kasi lahat nagtatagal on the industry. Pero kayo, even up to now, you're still an ASAP, di ba? You have your album, you have your concert. Ano po yung sikreto nyo na nag-stay kayo ng matagal dito sa industry?
Wala namang sikreto. I guess combination of hard work, luck, swerte din, and perseverance. And I mentioned this in one interview. I said you have to wake up with a passion in your heart. If you lose it talaga, and of course there have been years that, you know, I was doing something else. I was so busy with the farm life ako, and then the pandemic happened, that I wasn't as passionate about singing. So, because you're already thinking of what are you gonna do when you retire? Are you happy with this? So you try your hand at other things. Hindi naman masama yung, di ba, mag-business ka or whatever. And then, I guess it's my love for singing. It's my first love for singing. More than acting, actually. Bata pa ako dahil pamili ako ng mga artista, palagi akong kinukuhang extra. Sa kasing tawag sa akin. Ano ka dito, mag-big player ka dito, mag-extra talaga. Meron akong uncle, sobrang porsigido siyang gawin kaming artista. And my older sister, si Clarita, or Bong, she's beautiful, she's 5'8". She's got the looks for an artista. Siya yung mahilig, kaya ako palaging kailangan kasama niya. Kaya reluctant ako, kasi ako lang yung, ano tawag ito, chaperone? Oo, ngayon, sumasama lang akong ganyan. So, sinubukan namin mag-extra as secretaries. Pelikula pala ni Lorna Tolentino to. At bumalik ako sa kanya, Tito Bebong Osorio ang pangalan niya. He already passed on. Tito Bebong, ngayon ako na mag-artista. Bakit? Kasi ang baba ng bayad, buong araw, 24 hours pala yung mag-aartista ka, tapos ganun lang. Mukhang pera din. Hindi, pero kung di ba bata ka, ano ba yung hindi mo pa masyadong naiintindihan? And then, kaya Miss Nora Honor, kami noon, nag-workshop kami. Dahil ito na naman ang sister ko, siya porsigido. Galing. Ay, siya, ang acting ko talaga, naka-10 ako. Ako, ewan ko kung anong score ko, parang ganun lang. Tapos, sayang hindi natuloy yung project na yun kay Mario J. But I got to have some friends there and I really enjoyed the experience. Yung ganun lang. So, ayoko na naman, nasasama lang ako palagi.
Hahata ka lang.
Tapos, yung isang uncle ko na naman, he used to direct commercials. So, na-extra din ako sa mga commercials.
Doon ka nagsimula?
I was younger, yes.
Right.
And sabi, nidong milk, iinom ka. Tapos ko yung mga 10 times yata, di ba? Tapos, saan umiti ka after? Ganun ba? Busog ka na, pipilitin mo ngayon. Yung mga ganong experience ba?
Pero kung gano'n ka-iconic your songs, gano'n din yung mga ka-iconic, yung mga characters mo when you're acting. I'm sure napanood nyo yung...
Sa Torna.
No, I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking about Batang PX. Have you seen that? With
Batang PX, yeah.
Diba? With Patrick Garcia. Madrasta. Diba you played
the mom of Sina Claudine,
yes.
the first family. Yeah.
Right. And of course, sino makakalimutan sa Terry-Terry, huwag mo akong ma-Terry-Terry with Miss Maricel Soriano. Diba? Did you enjoy acting as well?
Yeah, actually, in the beginning, the person who gave me my first film was Dolphy for RVQ Productions. And I was married and I was young, and so syempre papaalam mo na sa husband, di ba? The father of Kervil. And he allowed me. Tapos, enjoy naman kasi mga pelikula niya may konting sayaw, may kantahan. So yun yung mga anak ni Pacifica Falifay. Yes, that was my first film. May special effects pa na. Kaya naging theme song namin If. Although of course we didn't have feelings for each other, pero sabi niya crush na niya ako. Ako wala pa. Bumababa ako sa painting.
Okay.
Kumakanta ako ng If. If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? Yan. Ang ganda. So, naging theme song namin yun. And then it was fun because Roderick became my friend. Roderick Paulatin, we were so close working on that. And then we worked on another film, Potejalo Garapa of Regal. So, yun pa yung uso nung either 3-picture contract ka.
Parang pakete na
Yes, pakete na for Regal. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung ibang mga pelikula ang ginawa ko sa Regal. Oh, Starson.
Oh yes,
Yes.
Tarzan.
It was a blockbuster
Yes.
during the time. Also, I also signed up with Seiko Films during my youth. Ayun. Ginawa namin ito, yung something magic. What is it? Black Magic? Black Magic. So it was really fun.
Grabe.
And it was a blockbuster hit also.
See, ito naman yung kwentuhan natin with Miss Zino. Ang dami niyang nasi-share sa atin because it's been, fruitful, ilang decades?
4 decades already.
4 decades.
So yun, I didn't enjoy it in the beginning, but when I got to know how to act, how to work with directors and my co-stars, I
You
finally
mastered
enjoyed it. Yeah. Not that I mastered it, there's so much to learn. And that's another secret. You really have to keep learning.
That's true.
You never stop.
That's true. Thank you, Alan. Maraming
Thank you.
salamat.
Advance happy birthday po.
Thank you. Wow. Oh, diba? 61 on my birthday.
61. Wow. Okay, let's call